Here's how to embed interactive maps on WordPress.
With as many markers as you want, modal pop-ups when you click the marker, search so visitors can find markers closest to them, and much, much more.
I'll show you two map maker tools that can do this: Google My Maps and Atlist. Google My Maps is free, Atlist costs money. Free is good, so let's start with Google My Maps.
This is Google My Maps. Let's make a map. You can drop markers in, or you can search to add markers. You can also import a spreadsheet if you, for example, have a bunch of addresses in it. Nice. Markers have 30 preset colors you can choose from. Unfortunately, you can't set a custom color or change the size of markers. You can, however, draw polygons, though not circles. And you can actually plot routes, which is cool. There are a few different map styles you can choose from. Some are good and some are probably less useful. And if you'd like, you can get an embed code. And we can use this embed code to add this map to our website. So copy the embed code, switch over to WordPress, and we're looking for the custom HTML element here. We'll paste in our embed code. We can hit preview to see it in the editor. It's nice. But let's see it on our live site. And this is where I think you'll start to notice why Google My Maps is free. First of all, you're stuck with this black bar. You can't hide it. You also can't hide these points of interest on your map. That kind of sucks because they clutter the map and our markers are hard to distinguish from them. When you click a marker, it opens this sidebar. And it looks okay, but there's just not a whole lot you can do to customize it. For example, you can't change this red to a different color.
So Google My Maps is free, but has limited customization. Okay, let's take a look at the next tool, Atlist.
Like Google My Maps, you can search to add markers, or you can drop in markers. You can also import a spreadsheet, either by uploading one or syncing to a Google Sheet. Let's upload a spreadsheet. Nice. Okay. We can style these markers however we want. They can also be styled individually, but we're just going to do them all the same style. When you click a marker, it opens a modal pop-up where you can add things like photos, names, notes, and buttons. These modals can be completely customized and styled however you want. Like Google My Maps, you can draw lines and polygons, but you can also draw circles. For example, if we wanted to show a delivery radius. And of course, you can choose between custom map styles. Yeah, let's go with this one. The Overlays tab is where things get interesting. You can add overlays like search, or tags, or list. Search lets you find the nearest marker. Tag lets you filter markers. And list is a list of markers. You can customize this list to look however you want.
Now there's a lot more you can do with Atlist.
You can change fonts, password protect maps, show the user's current location, restrict visitors to a specific boundary, and even invite people to collaborate on maps with you. Whenever you're ready, just go to Publish and copy the embed code. Switch over to WordPress, and again, we're looking for the custom HTML element here. Let's paste in our embed code. Hit preview to see it, very nice. And once again, let's see it on our live site. And there we have it, a beautiful interactive map.
Now, like I said earlier, you do need to upgrade to a paid Atlist plan if you want to embed maps. So why isn't Atlist just free like Google My Maps? Well, I can tell you why. Because I made Atlist alongside my friend Carl. And here's the thing. Anyone who embeds a custom Google map using the Google Cloud API has to pay Google about 1 cent every time the map is viewed. It's not cheap. So Atlist would go out of business if we gave away our product for free. The reason Google My Maps is free is, well, it's owned by Google. They don't have to pay themselves. And I think that's okay. I actually think there's a time and place for both Google My Maps and Atlist. If you'd like to try either tool, you can find a link to both in the video description below. Thanks for watching and happy map making.